It just hit me like a ton of bricks, no innovation. Coming with the game, man, ain't no innovation. I see my shit all in this shit, we call it imitation. And they say it's flattered, but I ain't flattered at all. Matter of fact, yo, you could practice that more.
What's up, fam? Welcome back. If you are new, what's up? My name is Natalie, and this is my channel, Music to Makeup.
My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. I like this tone. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. I sit inside.
Yep. So this video is going to be swatches and demo of this Huda Beauty mini palette in Muave Obsessions. Muave Obsessions. And bam, here is what it looks like. It is very beautiful. It is 9 of the Huda Beauty eyeshadows. 3 are a shimmer and 6 are matte. So, and then after the swatches, there is a demo, and I create this look right here, which I think is gorgeous. I'm obsessed with it. Like, and these lashes, everything. And this lip, this is Jeffree Star Calabasas. I have been living for this liquid lipstick since I got it. I have been wearing it every single day. I didn't think that this would be a color that I would really like, but I am in love with it. Especially with this mauve eye look, it just kills. So if you are interested in the mini Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette and how it performs and what it's gonna look like, then keep on watching. And don't forget to please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And please subscribe to my channel because I'm a bad bitch. And so are you. And I want you to join the crew. Oh, look at that. That was pretty cool. I think that kind of rhymed with it too. I'm just on a roll, y'all. All right. So let's get into the swatches. Ooh, ooh. All right, guys. I'll see you in my next video. The first Huda Beauty palette I've ever tried, I got the Desert Dust palette, and I love it. I mean, there are some shadows that are not the most pigmented, like, I'm not gonna lie, but I just think that the colors in the palette are so unique that I don't mind, because they're not horrible. They are good eyeshadows. And then I bought a mini one of these for one of my giveaways, and I was just wanting to try some more shadows because I really do love the Desert Dust palette. So I decided to get the Mauve palette. I have been like living for like pinks and red looks and purple looks. So this definitely, in rose golds, and this definitely caught my eye. So I'm going to swatch them first, and then we're gonna do a look. I have my foundation on and my brows done, so let's get to swatching first. The palette was $27. We're just gonna go horizontal. The first one is kind of it's like a dark maroon chocolate kind of. All right, and now this one. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, and now this one. It's kind of like a champagne with a pink shift to it. Second row, first one. I really like that one. Second row. a nice like neutral brown. Now we're gonna go in with like this cranberry brown. I think that's just cranberry. This is kind of like a neutral brown. It's not too warm toned. It's actually more, probably like a cool toned. And then the next one is a pale beige, which is perfect for highlighting the brow bone. You do a lip. It's hard to see because it's basically the same color as my skin. And then the last one is this nice deep maroon red. And it is right there. So this is the Huda Beauty Muave Obsessions palette swatches. And now we're gonna do a look. I have no idea what I wanna do. So I'm trying to decide if I want to do this or this for the lid. I think I'm going to go with this. Really, Natalie, really. I just can't even with myself right now. So since I already have my foundation brush, or my foundation on, I'm going to take this brush and some translucent powder, and I'm going to pack that under my lid to catch any fallout from the eyeshadow. I don't usually do my foundation first, so I can be kind of messy at times. Okay, so there isn't anything really light enough in the palette for me to use as a transition color, so I'm going to be using my ColourPop eyeshadow in Soft Core as a transition shade with an E27. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking this color right here, and I'm going to be using a Morphe M441, and we're going to be going in there and going in the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take a Morphe 433, and I'm going to go in with this bottom color right here. And pat that on the outer third of my eye. And I'm gonna like smoke it out a little bit too. And then slowly drag it into the crease a little bit. So now I'm going to take my Too Faced glitter glue and put that on my lids. And a little of this goes a long way. Trust and believe. I do one eye at a time because it does dry pretty quickly. So now I'm going to be taking, this is a Visanti eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to be going in with this one right here. And I'm going to be putting that on like the inner third. So I think that I want to use another one of the glitter colors. So I'm going to take another brush and I'm going to go in with this color right here. And I'm going to put that right in between like the light pink and then the maroon on the outer corner. I think that looks really pretty. So I'm also going to be using some setting spray and wetting the brushes and going back in with the shadows and brightening them up. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. So now I am going to take this Sephora Pro Smoky Liner brush and I'm going to go in with this color right here and just put that in the outer corner. And now I'm going to take the Morphe 433 and blend that out by just like patting on up and down, not swiping it. And now I'm going to do the other side. This is about symmetry. Now I'm going to highlight the brow bone and I'm going to use the matte beige down here. Use the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper. Okay, so now for the lower lash line, this Marc Jacobs eyeliner in Pink of Me. And then I'm going to go in with, first I'm going to go in with this one. Then I'm going to go in with this one and concentrate it more on the outer corner of the eye. Okay, so now I'm going to put some mascara on. I'm going to be using It Superhero mascara.